Good morning student. Today we are going to learn about the how to find out area of square and rectangle. First of all, what does the word area means? Area measures the surface of a closed region. Okay. And another thing, what unit for the area we are using? The unit of area are the squares of the units of length. If it is centimeter multiplied by centimeter, then we have to write square centimeters. Secondly, kilometer multiplied kilometer. The unit for the area will be square kilometer. Meter multiplied meter, the area unit for this will be square meter. There are two methods to find out area. First one, dividing a square into unit square and thereafter counting this unit square. This is the first method. Means you have to draw the simple closed figure which is divided into the squares. Now here one square is of 1 square centimeter. Now you have to count all the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the area of this simple figure is 20 square centimeter. Now the another method by using formula. The formula for the area of square. As we know, square whose all the sides are equal, it has 4 sides and this is the area of square. To find out the area of square, we are using the formula that is side multiply side. Now for the rectangle, whose opposite sides are same, this one is length, this is length, breadth and breadth, and this is the area of rectangle. To find the area, we are using the formula for the rectangle, that is length multiplied breadth. Now we come to know the area of square and the area of rectangle formula. By using this formula, we will solve question number 2 of textbook page number 174, where the figure is given. This is 4 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. As we know, this is rectangle, so the length is given 4 centimeter and the breadth is given 2 centimeter. So for this, we have to find out the area. We will use the formula of area of a rectangle. That is length multiplied by breadth. So the length is 4 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter multiplied by centimeter. For the area unit, it becomes square centimeter. figure is given whose breadth is 2 cm and length is 5 cm, which is rectangle in shape. So we have to find out the area. For that we will use the formula of area of a rectangle. Again L multiplied by B, where L is length, which is given 5 cm, and B is breadth, which is 2 cm. So this will be 10 cm multiplied by centimeter becomes square centimeter. Now C1, square is given whose side is 2 cm. The length of one side is 2 cm, means you have to find out the area of square, whose formula is side multiplied side. That is 2 cm multiplied by 2 cm. It will be 4 square centimeter. Next one, square again whose side is 3 cm. You have to find out the side is given of a square is equal to 3 cm. Let's find the area of square by using the formula, that is side multiply side. It is 3 cm multiplied by 3 cm. That is 9 square centimeter. Rectangle whose breadth is 2 cm and the length is 4.5 cm and the breadth is 2 cm. It is rectangle, so we will use the formula of area of rectangle. That is L multiplied B, 4.5 cm multiplied by 2 cm. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, decimal point, 8 plus 1 9, that is 9.0 square centimeter is the area of rectangle. It is 5 cm and the breadth is 3 cm. It is rectangular in shape, so we will use the formula of area of rectangle. That is L multiplied B, 5 cm multiplied 3 cm. It will be 15 cm square.